Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I will be unbagging my April Facetory Forever Fresh and reviewing my Forever Fresh from March. Now, if you're new to my videos, Facetory is a Korean sheet mask subscription service where you can get 4 or 7 masks sent to you every month. The Forever Fresh, which is the one I will be unboxing and reviewing, is $8.90 with shipping, so that includes shipping for 4 masks. And then the 7 Lux is $19.90, so just under $9 and just under $20, which, depending on the price of the mask, is actually a really good value. I will have a referral link down below if you're interested. I believe it gets you like 2 free masks when you sign up, and it just gets me points to go shopping in their marketplace. If you have a subscription with them and you use their rewards, you can actually get points every month from getting your subscription every month, or from people clicking your referral link, and you can go shopping and get extra masks from that. So I just wanted to make you guys aware it was a referral link. I'm not affiliated with Facetory, but I do have that referral link. And I did want to let you know really quick, my merch is still available. Link down in the description box for Hello Primary Designs. I really appreciate all of your support. Let's get started on the unboxing and review. So we still have the cute same cactusy summery bag, and no tissue paper because we don't have the box anymore. So let's see what we got. First we have Super Fruits for a Super You, and it is just another postcard. Then we have the card which says what all the masks are and the instructions on it, and it says April Forever Fresh, curated by Facetory. The sky is clear and the flowers are blooming. This month we'll focus on feeding your skin with the right nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants found in different fruits and botanicals. That sounds really, really nice, and I can't wait to see what the masks are, so let's jump in. The first mask is the Facetory Let's Talk Vitality Firming Mask. It retails for $4, and it has pomegranate extract, which helps slow down the signs of aging, creating smooth and supple skin, and shea butter, which is a skin softening ingredient that helps form a protective barrier to seal in moisture. Unfortunately, this one has aloe in it, so I'm gonna have to let my roommates try this out, but it does sound like a really nice mask. Next we have the Helloganic 1 a Day Water Mask. It retails for $3 and has coconut fruit extract, which will moisturize your skin and lock in hydration, and cabbage rose flower water, which is soothing for irritated skin and has a lovely natural aroma. I hope they don't all have aloe in it, but so far 50% of the masks have aloe, and I'm gonna have to let my roommates try them, unfortunately, because I will break out. My forehead is still recovering from the essence that I tried from Boutique, so not gonna risk it again with one of these masks. The next mask is 24 Miracle Vitamin Facial Mask with Whole Lemon Mask. It retails for $3 and has lemon fruit extract, which is brightening and will help clear your skin, and sodium hyaluronate, which helps hydrate skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This one actually looks like I'm going to be able to do it, so I'm really excited about that. Finally one I can do. Third mask in the box, and the claims sound amazing, so I will let you know next month. Finally, we have the Moksha Deer Avocado Mask. It retails for $3 and it has avocado fruit extract, which is moisturizing and as a protective barrier, and mango fruit extract, which helps minimize inflammation and rejuvenates your skin. I tried a mask with avocado oil and I reacted to it, and I am a little nervous about this one having avocado extract, but I think I'm gonna give it a try because at least I'll try half the masks in my box. This month isn't looking so good for me. So let's get on to the March Facetory review. I have tested all these masks or had my roommates test them if, you know, I felt I wasn't able to test them. We'll just jump in. So the first mask is the Facetory Be Bright BU Brightening Mask. It retails for $4 and has Chainomalus sinensis fruit extract, which helps to strengthen the skin and protect it from UV damage, and lemon fruit extract, which protects your skin against acne and works to promote bright, glowing skin. I tried this one. I felt it was really, really brightening and left me glowy, but it also left me sticky. But I liked the results enough that I didn't mind the stickiness. I would definitely repurchase this one. Any mask that I say is something I would recommend or repurchase is linked down below. You can buy masks from Facetory individually, so just keep that in mind. Next we have the Yara Moisturizing Honey Mask. It retails for $3 and has honey extract, which is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory and heals acne and hydrates dry, flaky skin. And Epiboleum anguistifolium flower leaf stem extract, also known as willow herb. This ingredient soothes and calms any inflammation, especially to acne-prone skin. I had Justin try this one because it had a no-no ingredient. I think it had... Okay, I can't find the no-no ingredient, so maybe I just let him try it for fun. But either way, Justin tried this one, and he said his skin looks smoother and slightly clearer. It was irritated at first when he first removed the mask, but then it calmed down and his skin looked really nice, so he would recommend this mask. Next we have the Skin Planet Selection Prestige Gold Lifting Mask. It retails for $3 and has gold, which is an anti-aging ingredient that helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and Portulaca oleracea extract, which is an antioxidant that fights premature aging and protects the skin from environmental stressors. I did this one and I felt it really did smooth my lines, even though I don't personally believe that gold actually does anything. Whatever they put in here, it smoothed my lines and it really moisturized, so I would recommend this mask. Finally, we have the Baroness Calendula Flower Mask Sheet. It retails for $2.50 and has calendula flower, also known as English marigold. It is antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and healing. And panthenol, also known as provitamin B5, it pulls water deep into the skin and keeps the skin moisturized and soothed. I really enjoyed this one. I think this was my favorite mask out of the bunch that I tried. It really moisturized, soothed, and smoothed, and calmed. It just was one of those really relaxing, enjoyable masks. I would definitely recommend this one. So I would say, because all 4 of the masks are a recommend or repurchase, that March's bag was a win. Hopefully I'll enjoy the masks I try from April, because it's really sad to me that I can only try 50%. But I will definitely let you know next month when I unbag May. And that completes this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you've not already. And also let me know any of your favorite masks or skincare items, because I would love to try them out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!